Hey, wheeling's out all these miles. All our friends' houses in piles. Either side they're forming aisles. We'll breathe those falling walls until we choke. Amongst the naked trees, we'll bear the yoke. I was not helping an orphan Bacchus tired soul. And while a song to help this bell along was doing my town down south, cutting with its own tune, and I couldn't make it out. Those phones were dead. That didn't stop the whole world from feeling it. But it's now the sky opened his mouth and showed his teeth. I heard your house get you through from underneath. Everyone was screaming, yeah, they're singing so now you can sleep when you hear rain. Your mind keeps bracing for that howl again. Hey, let's look this in the eye. Fear causes only divide. Don't feel guilt for troubled skies, for by the hair of our collective chin, Lord knows it wasn't we who let it in. Died up on Lagos, so far Lagos to flee. Miracles, miracles, winning grace, wealth and mercy. Heroes and suitors, fed and noodles, sitting out in a scrum. But it's not done, it's still not whole, every song. I was north heading on southward coast when you first called. And when I arrived, I found you all despite the wreck that was all that you all had ever owned. Good Lord, we sang in yeah, they're singing yeah, we singing yeah, we singing so now you can sleep when you hear rain. Your mind keeps bracing for that howl again. Hey, let's look this in the eye. Seize this mind wrapping of wire. Don't feel guilt for troubled skies. I know it seems for miles the world's at end, but even in all this, our